how to find ad settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find ad settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just click this one, add preferences, and click this one here, add settings. Scroll down, and as you see here you can find add settings on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.